Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add overlay effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. The first thing I am going to do is drag my main clip onto the timeline, placing it in video 1. Then I will take my rain overlay video, which I have right here, and drag it into video 2. Next, I will select the rain overlay clip. Under the video section, scroll down to composite. By default, the composite mode is set to normal. I will change it to overlay. Currently, the opacity is set to 100%. I want to reduce it for a more balanced look, so I will drag it down to around 5%. This creates a subtle but effective rain effect. Now when I press play, you will see a soft rain overlay right on top of the original video. If you want to extend the effect, simply select the rain overlay. Hold Alt, drag the clip to duplicate it, and place it right after the first one. Just like that, you have a seamless rain overlay continuing across the same clip. And that's everything you need to know about how to add overlay effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.